Hi everyone, this video is going to be about bolsters you can make at home for yourself if you currently do not have a bolster at home. We're going to go through with how to create your own to have for use in practice. So first, note this is a pranayama bolster. Notice the length of this bolster as well as the size of it. The length goes from the base of spine all the way up through your neck so that it aligns with our full spine length, and then if we choose to take them across the body behind us, it's going to go the width of your body and then some. So that's what these are designed to do. The way you make your own bolster at home is, this is called a spa towel. It's a little bit bigger than a regular towel. So just whatever biggest towels you have, grab those. Notice it's the length that the bolster is. It's a little bit longer, and that's okay. But it's the length when you fold it twice. Now these are being folded. Here's your towel, and then you're going to fold it in half, and then just again. So you still keep the length. There's two of those here, two spa towels. And then this is a regular just beach towel. Fold it over just once. We're going to use this. This is what's going to hold our other blankets. So you're going to bring I just called them blankets. You're going to bring the towels down one on top of the other. Start your roll with your beach towel. You're going to start to create a burrito effect, rolling very tightly, and then just going with it. Once you've accomplished that, we're going to tie this 3 times so that it stays together. If the bolster's not tied, it starts to unravel, and then it's mayhem. So take whatever string or whatever you're choosing to use to tie, and you're going to tie at three places on your bolster. So the first is going to be the higher, one's going to be in the middle, and then the next is going to be at the other end. You will thank yourself for doing this, because this secures anything that's going on with your bolster. So once you have all of that tied, I'm going to show you what is possible with your make-at-home bolster. You may require reinforcing your tie strings or not, just whichever. Okay, so here are my bolsters. I'm just going to move these out of the way. So you notice I have 2 of them, which means you can do 2 of these instead of just 1, because we use 2 of sometimes in practice as well. So you have your bolster. Now the reason you're creating this for yourself is if we lay it behind us and we lay back on it, notice your booty's going to be on the floor, you just lay back on it. It's going to support your body and your spine, and your arms can come out. We're going to use this type of posture for unwinding, relaxing, bringing structural balance to your spine. Anyway, here's one use. Another use is if we take our bolsters the width of our mat and then we lay back on them this as well. So our bolsters are going to shape our body. This is showing you what can be used with a bolster. So now those are 2 variances of what is possible. We're going to use the bolsters for many things. So when you make your 2 bolsters, just have them with you when you start to watch the videos and such. Another thing you can do to make your own bolster is, if you have any Mexican blankets at home, you can take these and and fold just like you would mimic a bolster. And then if you have another one, fold the other one the same way and just put them on top of one on top of the other. And it creates the same. Cool thing about Mexican blankets is the way they're made and created. They're just like a bolster. They give you the softness, at the same time the firmness. So you get both realms on that one. And sometimes in practice, we're going to use some tennis balls. I teach a lot about yin and fascial release and deep stretch. Tennis balls are amazing for anything you've got restrictive going on in your body, and all we do is lay on these or have them tucked under a body part or soft tissue area, and then we'll just lay there and just be with that, depending on what we're doing. If you don't have tennis balls at home, I have in the past taken like a tube sock and tied a knot and then played with that knot to see if that would align with me as well. Just something that creates a nice round shape. And then another option to have, if we choose to use them, is a strap. If you don't have a strap, belts work really well. And if you require your strap being really long, you can take two belts and hook them together, and it creates a more lengthened. Sometimes we'll use these, depends on what I'm teaching, what's happening. I'm just saying it's a useful, helpful tool to always have. And that covers the prop segment. Anyway, have fun creating your own props. Have fun searching your home. Oh, and blocks, yoga blocks. We already know what a yoga block is, so I would get mine there off camera, but a yoga block. If you don't have a yoga block, you can use books. You can get more towels and fold those up just to support space from your hand to the ground. You just require something to feel that space sometimes. So a towel, another towel, books, whatever you can use. And just get creative. So that is it on props. I'll see you in my next videos. All love.